missing case in the secret house.
Copy that. Do you have a visual, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's move in. Let's move in. Boss, I need the code numbers for the garage door.
The code is 2159.
Click the button. Good job. Now, we have to find that missing case.
Check. Okay, the garage door's open. Alright, I'll go plant the C4.
Alright, plant the C4. Hurry. I'll click the button.
Got the button?
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Okay.
We should load some of these guns, just in case.
Door's open.
Alright.
Let's load some of these guns. Turn them.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Alright, so let's go in here. Don't see anything. Let's just stay here for a minute.
Oh.
Alright, hope there's no more zombies. One of the cases up here. What's in there? Is that another zombie?
I think so.
Alright, let's check the other room.
Okay.
Stand guard, stand guard. You never know if there's a zombie here. There's the case. Get the case. Son of a biscuit! What the heck was that?
I got the case. Found it. That was close. Let's get down.
Alright, we better return the case to boss. He's been expecting it. Alright. All rooms are clear. Move down.